Hi, I'm Treat Hartman.
Hi, and I'm Shelly Hartman. We're coming to you live from the Blueberry Store and TrueBlueFarms.com with all of Treat's exquisite. I mean, they are the best recipes that you can use blueberries, any form of blueberries, fresh, frozen, dried, products from the Blueberry Store. She's come up with this unique set of recipes that really make it true that blueberries just aren't for pancakes and muffins anymore. I mean, some of these things are out of this world. Now, you got my interest peaked. What do we got here?
Well, I have Sloppy Joes. And
What?
Yes!
Blueberries and Sloppy Joes. Oh my gosh, this is going back to those slider days when you made those blueberry sliders.
Yeah, those were good.
Now these look awesome.
I used your barbecue sauce.
Oh my gosh, the good old Blueberry Store barbecue sauce, which is one of my favorites.
It is very good.
And it's not just because we make it and we sell it. It is good.
It is good. And you can add things to it. That's what I enjoy about all these products, is that they have all the ingredients that you really truly need, but if you want a different flavor, you can add a multitude of things.
Yeah.
Make it sweeter or spicier or
just to suit your taste buds
or whatever you want to add it to.
All right, so let's talk a little bit about the Sloppy Joe mix.
Well, I just bought slider buns and I made a Sloppy Joe. I cooked the ground beef, drained it, added some yellow mustard, some brown sugar, ketchup, and some barbecue sauce, blueberry barbecue sauce.
Really?
So it's basically the standard that you would do a Sloppy Joe with, unless you bought the Manwich can. But
Yeah, right.
a lot of times I don't have that, so this is impromptu, and it's just a basic recipe.
It looks great, and those buns and everything.
Oh, add a pickle and you're good to go,
Oh
Shelly.
my gosh! All right, so am I gonna try one of these?
Of course, yeah.
That's
So
my favorite part right there. All right, so I'm gonna put me a pickle on the top of there.
Well, you know, you can.
Tell me what
I would
I'm
just
gonna
put it in. It's just this is just a cool way to serve it. Just
Oh
put it
yeah,
on
so
the
like
thing.
if a person
Doesn't care for it.
All right, well
There
here
you
we
go.
go. All right.
I know, it's just amazing. So that's a very good, quick recipe, and to use ground beef, it's just really awesome.
And it's so flavorful. I mean, it's fresh. It's a new idea, and you can really taste that blueberry flavor in there. That is amazing. Good job, girl.
Thank you, Shell.